Hello! So today we're going to be doing a supernatural look for those days that you want to look supernatural. My face is already primed and ready to go. So next I'm going to use this L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Correcting Concealer. Whew, that's a mouthful. And I'm going to be covering up my dark spots. I do have some hyperpigmentation due to probably some unprotected sun exposure that I may have come across in a tanning bed or two. I'm going to cover that up with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. This is the shade 370. This foundation is super light and luminous. I love it for my natural looks. Next, I'm going to grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in Banana, and I'm going to highlight away. No contour today. All right, perfect. Now I'm going to use my Revlon Color Stay Brow Pencil to color in my brows. I don't want them to look too bold or dramatic, so I'm just going to pencil them in the way of my hair growth, and then I'm going to brush in lightly to make sure that they look natural. Now I'm going to be going into my go-to Soph palette, and I'm going to be using this shade called Cup of Tea just to go over my lids. And then I'm going to go in and use Mug Cake underneath my eyes for some dimension. And then I'm going to use this beautiful rose color called Peaches to go right into my crease and use beautiful windshield wiper-like motions. See? And next we're gonna... There we go. Alright, so now I'm gonna just put some glue on my lashes and let them set until they get nice and tacky. Now it's time to use some e.l.f. blush. I'm gonna use this nice orange to highlight my cheeks and make them look nice and cute and orange. So next I'm gonna use this very well-loved e.l.f. bronzer palette to give myself an all-over highlight on my face. Now that these lashes are ready for action, I'm going to use my tweezers to set them onto my real lashes and pray that they adhere. I like to use the end of my tweezers to kind of press them on to secure them a little better. And then I'm going to go in and actually pinch just to make sure that it's really sticking. This can be dangerous, so you have to be really careful. And you can just use your fingers if you're scared of, losing an eye. Now I am going to use my sample of Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. And I am going to use it on my lower lashes. And then I'm going to do some work on my upper ones. The glue dries clear, don't worry about me. Next, I'm going to use my Blistex Deep Renewal Anti-Aging Lip Balm. This stuff keeps my lips really soft, really moisturized all day long. I love it so much, and it's really smooth. Finally, I'm going to give my eyes that last layer of dimension with my Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. And this, my friends, is the final SuperNatural look. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram at SophistiFunkBeauty. Thanks for watching.